Hi, myself Anjana, you are 15CS041. Today I'm going to do my third experiment in UNIX and Linux lab. So that it's about looping control statements. So that first I have get a question as to get Fibonacci series for the given number of numbers. So I will be having my program. Okay, first I will show you my code. Okay, okay, this is my code. It's asking to enter to number of terms to be generated. How many number of terms? That means if 5 or 10 or something we have to generate, means how many number of terms you have to generate. Then we are getting as first and second values and 0 and 1 as it is 0 and 1. Then we are giving another variable I, which is equal to 2, and we are giving that if Fibonacci series are displaying, first we will be echoing x and y that we are already predefined in the program. And while I is less than n means number of terms that you have to get generated, then we have to do that I plus 1 and also the expression of x plus y, and we have to interchange the values of x, y and z, everything. And this is my program, and I am using while loop here. So now let's run the program and see. And I will run the program and will show you. And it's asking to enter the number of terms to generate. If I am giving as 10 means you can see 10 numbers in the Fibonacci series are displayed over here. So you can see 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and 34 has been displayed. Okay, next question is to find Armstrong number and to check whether the given number is Armstrong or not. For that I have my program. This is my program for Armstrong number, that to enter two numbers, and I will be reading that using this variable, and that variable is given, the value of the variable is given to another variable x, and sum we have declared as 0, and r and n everything is declared as 0. And we are again using a while loop and if else loop here. And in while loop we will be checking the value of x which is greater than or equal to 0. Then if it is greater than 0 means we have to do the value of the x should be taken the modulus with 10, and then n is equal to that value what we have taken the first, that should be added multiplied 3 times, and again the sum should be find using sum plus modulus n, and again we will be getting x, and we will be getting at last we will be getting a value for sum, and we have to check whether sum and the first value we have entered is c, that sum and whether the c is equal. If both are equal means we have to print that it's Armstrong number, else we have to print that it's not an Armstrong number. So now let's run the program and see. And we will be entering 153. It's an Armstrong number, and again I will run and show you. It's showing that it is not an Armstrong number, so that's running perfectly. And next question is to write a program to check whether number is palindrome or not. We will be giving numbers and we have to check whether it is palindrome or not. For that I have sorry. So this is my program for palindrome. So there I am asking to enter the number, and the number should be written, and the number, the value of the number is given to another variable class as number, and we have a reverse which is assigned to 0, and it will be checking whether the value of n that is greater than 0, then it will be doing the modulus of that n with 10, and also we will be dividing that n with 10 and will be storing in 2 different variables. And after that the reverse will be find using reverse into 10 plus the value of the a what we have already stored before, and then we will be printing the reverse. If the number and reverse are both are equal means then we will be printing as it's palindrome, else we will be printing as it's not palindrome. So now let's run the program and see here. It's asking to enter the number. So if I am entering something 1 2 3 4 means it's saying that it's not palindrome. It's showing the number, its reverse also showing, it's also printing as it's not palindrome. Else if we are printing 2332 means it's also printing its palindrome and reverse, and also it's showing that it's a palindrome number. So this program is running successfully, and the next program is to find whether the number is prime number or not, or that we have to enter how many numbers we have to print in between. If we are giving us 5 something, in between that 5 how many which of all numbers are prime numbers. So we will be doing that, and we have so it's asking to enter number up to which we have to get prime numbers. How many numbers they have to check whether it is prime or not. And prime numbers are, it will be printing as using a for loop. We have I equal to 2, I less than n, and I plus plus, and it will be doing everything accordingly. This for loop will be continuing till when it get fails. So it will be again it is having j loop, and also we have an expression here which is not equal to 0, and we have it giving a flag to identify whether it's already prime number or already we have checked and all. So then again at last it will be printing the result. Here it will be printing. So now let's run the program and see. So here they are asking to enter the number up to which you get the prime number. I'm giving as 10 means, and the things are printing over here, all the prime numbers are printing over here. So all the programs for the third experiment, which is looping control statements, has been executed, and everything is working properly. So that's all for the third experiment. Thank you.